In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on Binance using your debit card. Okay, so here we are on the Binance app. Now, if you don't already have an account on Binance, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can sign up. But once you are on the Binance app, what you can do is you can go ahead and click Add Funds in the top right-hand corner. And you need to be on the Markets page, by the way, to do this. So make sure you're on Markets in the bottom left. Once you click Add Funds, it's then going to take you to this window. And what we can do is we can first choose our currency. So if you go to the top right hand corner, you can see the payment currency. Now you need to really have this set to the currency that you use on a daily basis with your debit or credit card. So for me, that is AED. Now once you've done that, click buy with your currency. And then here you can search for any of these cryptocurrencies and you can buy them straight away. Now, if you know what you want to buy, you can click on it and just buy it. If you don't know what you want to buy, you can just choose here USDT and just simply buy USDT and then swap it at a later date. For me though, I'm just going to buy Bitcoin. So we'll click on Bitcoin and I'll just buy 70 AED worth of Bitcoin. Now, once you type in a number here, it's going to give you the estimated quantity. But if you then click on select payment method and then choose your card, so for me, that's going to be this MasterCard or Visa, you can then click confirm. Then it will ask you to add your card. If you don't already have it added, you just need the information you usually would when you're making a standard card purchase. For me though, I've already got it added, so I'm going to enter in the CVV. Now once I've done that, I can now go ahead and confirm that, and we can see exactly how much Bitcoin we're going to get, and you can see the total spend, including the fee. Now this is all in total. So if you're happy with that, click on confirm and it will then process the payment. For me, it's probably going to send me an SMS message. And now I've entered in that message to confirm the transfer is me. We'll just wait about 15 seconds. And here you can see that it's processing, and there you go. The Bitcoin transaction has gone through and we have now successfully purchased some Bitcoin. We can now check the assets and it then should update the balance. So that is all you have to do. I hope that quick video helped you out.